Good? Enjoyed? Okay. So I think you all seem to be really hungry, right? Yes? No? Okay. I know you all are just waiting to go back. All the fathers getting calls from offices, mothers waiting to head back home. We wouldn't take much time. I think you all had a lot of activities for parents today. So I think you all got to know how your children and what all they are doing in school, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think there were some activities wherein parents had to reflect how their kids were, whether they were reflective, whether they were being principled, whether they were courageous. So can anyone tell me what are these? Not you. The parents. I want to know from the parents what were those, if you are aware of it. Yes, right. Okay. They are learner profiles. And can you tell me what are learner profiles, or why are we emphasizing so much on it?
It is a basic startup for any kid.
For any kid. For what but? Building character. Yes, of course. That's what I wanted to know. So as you all know, our school mission statement says to nurture leaders through primary greatness. Now what is primary greatness? Is to have character and competence. Okay. So that's basically we wanted to bring to your notice that these are the core element of IB, and IB focuses a lot on the learner profiles. And because IB does it, it is even we who take it up for the kids. And there are various activities. So when your kids they are too small for it now, but as and when they grow up, in the higher classes, they will then be reflecting a lot about the learner profiles, and you will be able to see it in them and cultivate it in them as human beings. Okay, now that's the brief knowledge about learner profiles. So since through the year, the teachers have actually seen certain learner profiles and attitudes in your kids. So they really want to felicitate your kids with any one of the learner profile or the attitude that they've seen. So as they come up and they receive their sash for it, I want all of you to clap loudly because they have actually earned it. It's not just been given to them, they have earned it. So I think you all need to be proud about it. And whether can we start? Okay. So whether you will start with it, can we have the grandparents upstairs? It's going to be a great thing, the grandparents giving it to the kids. So I think we have all the grandparents up. Ma'am, can you come up? Please go ahead. Aisha, I'm calling all the grandparents.
So now I'll call up the name. Shaurya. Shaurya is demonstrated to be confident. Arjun. Respect. Dev as communicator. Arav as creative. Ashley as respect. Khwahish as enthusiasm. Manal as communicator. Medha as creative. Shruti as independent. Atmaja as reflective. Diana as thinker.
पापा को टैग है वो
Risha curiosity. Prisha as respect. Vedant as knowledgeable. Ayman as cooperative. Dhyan as enthusiasm. Yuvraj as caring. And Karnav as inquirer.
इंटरव्यू लेवा ना तो हमारा वाला
Please clap for them. So these are the learner profile and aptitude which they have demonstrated throughout the year. So now parents, we have feedback form. So you have to fill the feedback form. I hope you enjoyed the event. And after that, you just have to come and sign over here.
Everybody,
Yes.
I'm nervous for that.
So, okay. So this is.